fight. No looking back, I was born to fly. Every step I leap into the unknown, feeling the passion that is grown. I'm chasing dreams on a runaway train, burning bright through the thunder and rain. No chain can hold me back, I'm breaking free, racing the horizon to where I'm meant to be. Under midnight skies and the neon lights, I push through the darkness, reaching new heights. Every scar's a badge from battle fought, a reminder that every dream is hard won. With every risk, my spirit ignites, guided by the hope through endless nights. So I'm chasing dreams on a runaway train, filling up my heart with every ounce of pain. No taking binds me, I'm soaring free, racing the horizon to my destiny. If I stumble, I'll rise again. Every fall's a lesson penned. The fire inside will never fade away. I'm the spark, won't be swayed. I'm chasing dreams on a runaway train, embracing the struggle, dancing in the rain, breaking the limits, setting me free.